So what if I tell you that you can make your first 100k online today without any form of investment of any kind? Is it true? Is it legit? Am I gonna just waste my time over it? Will I need to invest later to withdraw? Is it a scam? What can I really do? I know that these questions are what that you will be going through your mind now. How can I really withdraw this 100k to my bank account? So in today's video, this is what we are gonna treat in today's video. So stay tuned. So before we move further, hello my people, my name is Ruby King, your one and only boy that do videos on how to make money online through cryptocurrencies and other naira updates. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, please click the like button. If you like what you're seeing, if you like what you see before clicking on this video, click the like button because it helps me a lot to rank high on YouTube. It won't do anything apart from helping me to rank on YouTube. Secondly, if you are new to my channel and you love making money online with payment proofs, I show you guys proofs on my videos. Check out my videos. Please click the subscribe button and turn on notification. You subscribing to my channel is just like adding me as a friend on Facebook. That means adding me as a friend on YouTube. Then secondly, hitting the bell icon is just this bell icon now. Hitting it, turning it all is just for you to get notified whenever I post any updates. You know, the earlier the better. The earlier bird always eats higher. So while waiting to watch this video, kindly go ahead and check out my updates. I do payment proofs. I show you guys payment proofs on my updates. So look at my videos here, show you guys payment proof. Guys, take a look at this particular video and this one, this 28 USDT that I circle. Take a look at it and show off the updates. And lastly, this Bitcoin one, this particular one now, make sure you click on it and watch the video in details because that particular update is gonna blow your mind by end of this year. So without saying much, let's go back to the main video of the day. So which update are we talking about today? Yeah, the update that we're talking about today is Mala wallet. You know, let me open to show you guys my current amount here. Let me show you guys my current amount here. As you can see, I'm currently having $39 here. So in their exchange rate is around 500 naira per dollar. So let me change currency to Nigeria. As you can see, you can change it to Kenya. That means Kenya people can participate in this. Ghanaian people can participate, and or you can change to Britain pounds and euro. But I'm a Nigerian, so let me apply naira. So as you can see now, I'm currently having 19,500 naira as my own balance on this particular project. So how do I earn? How do you earn on this project? Yes, if you can earn on this project, you can earn very easy and without any form of investment. So what do you need to do? As you can see, I'm having $19 worth of it. First of all, click on the link in the description to sign up on this platform. As you can see, there's no way deposit here. There's nothing like deposit on this place. So what do you need to do? Sign up with the link on this platform in the description of the below, on the link in the description below. Sign up to Mala wallet. When you sign up to Mala wallet, they are gonna give you a welcome bonus of $2. Then their exchange $2 is that 1,000 naira because $1 is 500 naira in their exchange, as you can see. So once you are done with this signing up, next thing you have to do is to go and get referrals. As you can see, I'm having 37 referrals. So why I'm making this video before, I didn't take Mala wallet serious. The time that Mala wallet came out, I didn't take it serious. I was like, I just did some little referrals and I left it until this video that I'm about to show you guys now popped up. Just watch the video.
Those of you guys doubting Mara, look at it. Yesterday, my account was $50. I referred some people that are $59 today. So they actually calculated my payments yesterday and sent it to me. So you can see they're supposed to send 25,000 naira for $50 because their dollar rate is 500. So zooming it in, you can see champion pay for August 19. Let me go ahead and show you guys the date. Champion pay for August 19. Okay.
So So as you can see, the guy showed you guys on the live video how he got paid, because he have the championship whatever championship icon here, so there are things you can do with this Mala wallet. There are things you can do on the setting. Just sign up with the link in the description. You can edit your email, edit your phone number, edit the language, currency, database, and stealth mode. Stealth mode is just hiding your balance. Let me hide my balance now and show you guys. As you can see now, my balance is hidden. So if I want to show it again, I will just remove the stealth mode, and this is it. So what this available balance now, this is my pending balance now. If you click on this place now, they will tell you what is pending balance. Your Mala wallet, in your Mala wallet, pending balance is a total reward in crypto that will be unlocked once official Mala wallet launches. When you earn reward, the value of those reward gets stored in the pending balance. That becomes available balance as you achieve a certain Mala milestone. So what are the milestone? You can read the terms and conditions. Click on okay, I got it. Let me explain it to you. Try as much as you can to reach 40 referrals. It will take you, I guess, in a month. It will take you in a month. Try as much as you can to reach 40 or 37 referrals. Then join the group in the description. I will show you guys how to get paid, just like the guy gets paid. I will show you who to contact so that you get paid and get your championship icon. So what do you need to do? Sign up with the link in the description. It's very free. When I say free, as you can see, there is no way deposit on this place. So sign up with the link in the description. Once you sign up and download the app, sign up after everything, use your own screenshots to come over to the group in the description. Join the groups in the description and show me your screenshot. Once you show me your screenshot, I will tell you the next thing to do to get paid, who to contact. I will give you the direct contact of the Mala exchange customer care on WhatsApp direct. So once you are done signing up, come over to the WhatsApp group in the description below, and I will show you guys the next thing to do, how to get and what to do and what not to do about Mala wallet. So I'm making this video today, first of all, for referrals, and secondly, I'm making it to also update anybody that come across my channel. That's why I say that you have to subscribe to my channel, join my Telegram group on the description below, so that you'll be getting notified anytime I post any updates, so that you'll be first of, because I normally post updates on Telegram before even taking it to YouTube. Sometimes I don't even take it to YouTube. I don't have chance making videos sometimes. So join my Telegram group. I will drop in updates daily timeless updates on Telegram. So I think this end of this video. Before ending this video, I want to show you guys something. So for those of you that are into crypto space, I want to make something online, I want to make money, use USDT online without stress referrals. As you can see, my balance here is my balance of 92 USDT, which is gonna complete 93 in 3 hours time, because I made a trade. So it's very free. All you need to do is just sign up, tell me in the description below why you have not started using your World OTC. My next video might be about this World OTC or not. So if you want to know more about it, sign up with the link in the description. This is my balance, 92 USDT. Watch my videos on how to make money on how to make your first 200 USDT with this World OTC. As you can see, I'm currently at 92 USDT. Click on go to the description below and watch the video about my road to 200 USDT monthly with World OTC, and you'll get blown mind. So this is the end of this video, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Make sure you run update as I show you guys, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.